मो ना तुलसी मु परंगार झीटी बापा आमर चाषबास करती आमर भाई ना आम दुई भौणी मुझे जन्म हेली भल थी कि 3 वर्ष पर मो गोड़ खराब है पोलियो हो गला तेणु से ही मोर दुखटा आरंभ है दुख सुधा से गोड़े मु खरारे वर्षारे शीत काकर सबको सहीकि भी पाठ पढ़ी मु 99 बीए पास कली 99 बीए पास करिया पर 2002 मसीह आम ये जो पंचायत इलेक्शन पाखेला से आमर से सीटा सरपंच सीटा महिला रिजर्वेशन थी तेणु लोक मान किसी समर्थन थिला जे तुलसी तो पाठ पढ़ी से तो एत अक्षम नुह चली पार्टी बुली पार्टी खाई पार्टी सब किसी कर पार्टी से कहीं तुले पार से बीए पास कर निश्चित तुले पार जिते पुरुष भाई मैंने आम सरपंच थे से आउ लेडीज मैंने कहीं पंचायत ऑफिस को भी आसुन से पुरुष मैंने प्राधान्य विस्तार करते कि महिला मैंने किसी कहबार सुजोग पाई पार नथिले मैंने निजर समस्या भी उत्थापन कर पार नथिले किंतु मो महिला सरपंच हवा फल प्रत्येक महिला घर पिछा प्रत्येक महिला आसिक ग्राम पंचायत उपस्थित रहते तापरे जो महिला सरपंच से भी गोटे साहस बढ़ेगा महिला सशक्तिकरण भी विकास दिगरे गोटे आग्रह सृष्टि है कौन करवा केमती आम उपार्जन क्षम हाँ तापर आमर जी जी ठीक से भत्ता पाइपर ताकू आम चिन्हट करुँ से परिसेवा मध्यम महिला मानक लेकिन आम चिन्हट करुँ किए अंत्योदय पाइब किए इंदिरा आवास पाइब आमर जी पंचायत ग्रांट आसूँ सब से मध्यम आम से परिसेवा मध्यम लेडीज मान धरिकी आम फाइनाल करूँ आम प्रत्येक वार्ड को ही आखि आगे रखिकी काम करूँ कौन वार्ड लोक कहीपर आम वार्ड कौन काम है एमती आम पंचायतटा चली
मो ना प्रतिमा बेहरा मु 17 वर्ष है ये घर को बहु होकर आसी आम समस्ते एकाठी मिलित परिवार अच्छु आते मत प्रथम गिरी सरपंच हाँपाई प्रार्थी करागला मु तो घरे ओढ़णी तलर बहु थी 10 वर्ष पर मत जो सब यही कथाटा बाहर से मो गाँ लोक भी मत कहीं चिन्ह थे मत प्रथम प्रथम अड़ुआ अड़ुआ लगुला जे मत गाँ वाला जो दायित्व देते प्रकृत में मुझे मानने साकार करें कि ना मो मन गोटे द्वंद्व सृष्टि रहा जहाँ हाउ मत लोक मैंने समर्थन करके मत भोट देले मु जितली मो मनरे मध्य थिला जे मु किसी बाहर को जाइगिरी लोक मानकर किसी सेवा करि पारि सेवा मनोवृत्ति मो पाखे थिला जा फल मोर परिवार मते सहयोग ए सब साहाय्य मिलला परे मते बहुत खुशी लागुची मु बहुत खुशी रहची मो लोक मानक सेवा करि पारुची पुलिस बाहला पुलिस आगे पूर्व थे कौन है से पुरुष मैंने थे सरपंच मैंने से मैंने गोटे जगह बसुले पुलिस सेवा कहले लोक मैंने कहीं जानू ना से कौन करते निजर भाई बंधु कुटुंब समस्त ना गुड़ा सब अग्राधिकार भितर सब निजे रखिक निजे सब कम करदे कि बर्तमान जो पुलिस सभा आम महिला सरपंच आसवा द्वारा ये पुलिस सभा गुड़ा समस्त आगे जनईदेलु महिला मैंने निज निजर कथा गुड़ा कहीपर
ये जो समस्या समाधान आम कर एकता एकता
नमस्कार साहू मो स्वामी बिजनेस करते मोर 2टी पिला मु घर सब जावतीय जिनस काम करे निजे आ महिला माने बहुत खराब स्थिति थिले से माने स्वामी की केतेबेले कुआडे जीवा पाई तो तांको आदेश पाइथिले जाउथिले घर कोणरे सासू ससुरंक निर्यातना भी सहूले बहुत से स्वामी भी पदा को जीवा पाई बाहर कर देउनथिले आम ए गोष्ठी तैयारी करबा सते आ स्वामी मानकु भी आम कोनोसी आडे जीवा पाई आम तांको पैसा आडेगी मागिबा पाई हमर तांको पाई इच्छा ना आम निज हाथ रे आम निजे पांठी कल आम जुआडे चालू आडे चालू मु लोक मानकु बेसी ठुळेई पारे लोक मानकु समस्त चेतना दे कही पारे समस्त को एकजुट करिबारे आम ग्राम महिला मान को स्त्री पुरुष माने किपरि अन्याय अत्याचार करुछंती से विषय आम जो ग्रुप नहीं आम बहुत चिंता कलु मद भी विरुद्ध आंदोलन कलु मद रैली कलु
नारी शक्ति नारी शक्ति तुमर नेत्री आमर नेत्री महिला नेत्री नारी शक्ति
Tulsi, Pratima and Askara and many other women like them are members of the Mahila Manch in Angul district. They all aim at empowering women and follow the inspiring example of the great social reformer Malti Chaudhary. They strive to translate her vision of social transformation into a reality. Numa, as Malti Chaudhary was fondly addressed, was a revolutionary who believed that women could take charge of their own lives, fight for their rights, and in the process, change society.
से प्रत्येक महिला को निज आत्मशक्ति रे जागृत देखा चाहूले प्रत्येक झील तार निजर आत्मशक्ति रे जागृत हो यहाँ इच्छा थिला अभिलाष थिला उद्देश्य थिला।
It's been a man's world where women have never got their due, and often they have been denied even the basic human rights. So it's been a long struggle for them to assert their rights. They have been fighting to get their voices heard and to be treated with dignity and at par with men. The Mahila Manch stems from the realization that women could empower themselves only by coming together. Individually, they would achieve very little or nothing. Fighting collectively for their rights will empower them in the true sense of the term. Information and mobilization constitute the foundation of the Mahila Manch, which offers a platform to all women across the district. Distractions relating to caste, social status, political ideology, or affiliation do not matter any longer. It's become an organization of the women, by the women, and for the women. Hundreds of women have come forward voluntarily to join the Manch. The Manch, for its part, adopts a holistic approach to the issue of women empowerment. Its activities are directed at making women economically independent, politically conscious, and socially aware. It's the last day of the month, and a monthly meeting of the District Mahila Manch is in progress. This is held once every month to decide the plan of action. The meeting is coordinated by a convener and attended by women leaders and panchayat representatives from the block. Block-level women's forums have been set up in all the 8 blocks of Angul district. Cluster forums have been formed taking 4 to 5 Gram Panchayats, and every Gram Panchayat now has its own women's forum where members, cutting across the political and socio-economic divide, take part in the deliberations.
आम काम आम ही समाधान कर महिला आम एकता हो गलु गोटे ब्लॉक रो महिला आम जब एक हो गलु जेकोसी बड़ समस्या हेले भी वाईसीएल भय कर जिलापाल हेले भी ऑटोमेटिक हाँ जी करवा नाही तो प्रश्न नाही.
The District Women's Forum in Angul is actively working towards capacity building among women and developing leadership skills. It dreams of empowering women in all spheres of life. Workshops and training programs aimed at arming women with conflict resolution skills, providing development-oriented leadership, overseeing the functioning of the Gram Panchayats, securing the right to information are a regular affair. The process of mobilizing and training women now encompasses the entire district, and all decisions at various stages in this process are taken by women themselves.
महिला मंच बर्तमान एभली गोटे स्थिति रे पहुंची जदि काली सकाळे आमे भौणी माने मध्य आ भितर न रहू एई प्रोसेस आगु को चलिबो कहार सहायता न नेकरी कारण एतिकी आत्मविश्वास भौणी मान भितर बर्तमान भरी जाइछि जदि भी कोनोसी नेतृस्थानीय महिला एतिरु बाहरी जांती भी एई प्रोसेसटा आगामी दिन रे मध्य चालुबो.
Basla, headquarters of Basla Gram Panchayat, Angul district. A Gram Sabha chaired by the local woman Sarpanch is in progress. This is a novel initiative which addresses problems relating to women from a collective point of view while taking decisions on program implementation. Until recently, Gram Sabhas were an all-male affair, not any longer. Times have changed, and in many Gram Panchayats in Angul, women have made sure their voices are heard in Gram Sabhas.
आमर पुरुष प्रधान देश रे तो महिला माने सब बेले माने सब बेले हिन चखुरे देखंती आमे जदि महिला परिसेवा कर आमे पुरुष मानक सहित हाथ पुरुष मानक हाथ को हाथ मेळे जिने आमे चाली पारिबु.
A Palli Sabha in progress in Gobra. Most of the active members here are women, and that's a new development. Women are now taking a leading part in decision making, whether it's a local problem or a development program. Palli Sabhas in Angul district now involve women in large numbers. A fair price shop in village Tarabahala. This is managed entirely by members of the local women's self-help group, and they have proved how the shop can be run efficiently and in a transparent manner. The picture was very different a few years ago. People were unhappy with the way it was run. Now, for a change, the fair price shop has qualitatively improved the delivery system. Income generating activities like running fair price shops, mushroom cultivation, making joss sticks have been actively promoted by the Mahila Manch.
आमे निजे निज गोड़े छिड़ा कर आमर मनोबल बढ़िला आत्मविश्वास भी है आम महिला मान भितर आम निजे संजत हो पारू माने पुरुषों को आम साहाय्य मागु लड़ुनु आउ.
Women in yet another male domain. A contract for building this road in Nukripada village has been given to the local women's group. They handled all work associated with laying of this road, from processing documents to procuring materials to supervising the construction work. But not everything went smooth. When it came to disbursement of wages for the work done, women faced harassment. But they fought back and ensured that they got their dues, and also won another contract for the extension of the concrete road beyond their village.
काम स्टार्ट करबा भितर हमर पार्टी वाला नै टिके गंडगोलिया हे गला तापरे हमें रास्ता काम कंप्लीट कलु कंप्लीट करी सारला परे आमुके बिल दवा पाई नाराजी सरपंच आम गाँ सरपंच नाराजी हैला आम जा कलेक्टर ऑफिस रे सार जनईकि पुणी बिल दिगला
This newfound confidence to hold their own in a hostile world is part of the Mahila Manch impact. Today, they are engaged in all sorts of enterprises, ranging from building latrines to pisciculture. A new chapter in their life has opened.
छोटी थी तो उसकी आदत ऐसी थी बाबा ऐसी।
Recess at Kwe Jamunali School. While it's playtime for children, the women's group is busy discussing problems at the school with the headmaster. No one understands children and their problem better than their mothers. MTA or Mother Teacher Associations formed in Kwe Jamunali and many other villages in Orissa by the Department of Education have proved to be a great monitoring agency, and Mahila Manch has been playing a key role in activating the MTAs effectively across Angul district.
ଆମେ ଆମର ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାରେ ଯେଉଁ ବଢ଼ା ହେଉଥିଲା ଅଧା ପିଲା ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଅଧା ପିଲା ଯାଉନଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ଦିନଠୁ ଆମେ ମହିଳାମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ କମିଟି ଗଢ଼ିକିରି ଯେଉଁ ରହିଲୁ ମହିଳାମାନେ ସେଦିନଠୁ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାରେ ଅବହେଳା ନାହିଁ କି ସାର୍ମାନେ ମିଶା ଆଉ ଅବହେଳା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
The mothers have received very little education themselves, but they are now playing a key role in educating the next generation and ensuring that every girl child goes to school. Women groups have taken another important responsibility, cooking the midday meal. Serving midday meals to children is also the group's responsibility. Teachers can now concentrate on what matters most, teaching. Mahila Samarthya, the bi-monthly newsletter published by the Mahila Manch. Members of the Manch write for it and edit it themselves. The newsletter focuses on the activities of the Manch, the field experiences, and the lessons learned. The Manch brings out booklets, posters, all relating to development issues, women's problems, Panchayat Raj, subjects designed to spread awareness. Getting computer savvy. These women at the Jarasingha Panchayat meeting hall are busy browsing the net and feeding data into computers. Equipping village women with computer literacy is a major objective of the Mahila Manch. Computers enable women to survive and compete in a globalized world. The right to information is a powerful weapon in the hands of the underprivileged and the marginalized. They can use this to compel the administration to be accountable, transparent, and efficient.
जेकोसी ऑफिस रे हमरो जहा दरकार बुझी पारजु जो संघ सब करा है जी बैंक मान को जाईगिरी हमरो केते टंका अछि कोन माने हमरो गोटे दिन भितर बे हम चाहू जो हमको जणे दियो आमे हमको आउ कहीं ठकी पारु नाहती आमे सब सचेतन होइजु से माने जदी हमको ठकु त नाहती जदी भी ठकिबे से माने को आमे थाना कचेरी पर्यंत नै पारबो बोली हमरो आत्मविश्वास अछि।
Buktunga village is full of excitement today. Women have come out in a rally against the sale and consumption of liquor. Such rallies are already yielding visible results. The credit goes to the initiatives taken by the Mahila Manch. The women's groups in Angul district are not only targeting the sale and consumption of liquor, they are active in many areas of life, raising awareness against dowry atrocities, resolving family disputes, and conflicts in the village and eradicating superstition. There is a sustained struggle against all forms of social evil.
बहुत हैरान करदे थाना को भी नहीं जाते थाना रे कहला जे आउ तमे जदि धरब ताहले थाना तुमको अनाधुनी करबो आमे थाना को न डरी आमे महिला गठन हेई आमे मद भाटी जोड़े देखिलु जोड़े जो बिक्री सब भांगी तोड़ी देलु हमको तो थाबले डरती आमे बिल्कुल डरलु.
Sabhaghar, the meeting hall at Angul. Women from every panchayat in Angul district have come to take part in this meeting, called to discuss the coming panchayat elections. The Mahila Manch aims at the participation of women in the process of social development and decision making. And this will be possible only when women are involved right from the grassroots level. This has led the Manch to prepare women for the 2007 Panchayat elections. The Manch encouraged and trained women to contest and win in seats other than the 33% of seats reserved for them. The principles underlying the training is irrespective of party affiliations and ideology. The 2007 Panchayat election was the first election to be held after the Manch was formed. At first sight, chances of women winning elections in a world dominated by men looked slim. But the Manch saw participation as a means of learning valuable lessons, if not winning. The elections are over. The convener of the Mahila Manch has been elected chairperson of the Angul Zilla Parishad, and many other women candidates in the district have defeated their male counterparts.
आम महिला मैंने जो आज आगू आसी पारिचु एतिर आमर सारा महिला मंच गोटे यूनाइटेड फोर्स आम पछरे काम करिथिला तुम सारा अनुगुल जिलार महिला मैंने कहते जे माने महिला जने एथर आमर जिला परिषद प्रेसिडेंट हेबे मते आखि आगे रखिक से ए कथा कहिथिले एवं सेही महिला मानकर जो माने कथाटा सेटा मध्ये गोटे चाप पड़िथिला दल उपरे तेणु से बाध्य होइकि मते कैंडिडेट मध्ये करथिले एवं मु मध्ये जिला परिषद प्रेसिडेंट मध्ये हेइथिले.
Empowerment is a constantly unfolding process, a process of self-realization, and not a series of visible achievements. The Manch has laid the foundation of a brilliant future and opened up new possibilities. The road ahead is long and difficult. The women in Angul are now ready to meet any challenge that comes their way.